context of this combo is the 2-petal horizontal same direction flower in split time in a turnaround going to the left. And as you're doing this turn, or at least as I'm doing this turn, I'm pivoting on my left foot and I'm pushing off with my right foot, and my right foot is the one, and my right poi as well, are always in the front. So hand facing this way. Let's start with the right in front, and that'll be the first one. So we'll go 5, 6, 7, 8, then right front, and 1, and 2, we'll do 10 of them, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. And now let's go to underhand. The sharp right is in the front, and that'll be our 1. So here we go. So 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Strong core. And 8, and 9, and 10. And we would be standing here in the T stance. Now, you can do it how you want. My preference, or at least the last time I just did it, I'm also coming off of this knee injury thing, was I was doing a heel turn on my left heel. But that's what I normally, in the past, did ball turns. Whatever floats your fancy, but I definitely prefer turning on my left leg to my right leg. And you're using this generic paddle step we've used many times, where you're standing in your T, you push off with the front foot, which is the bottom part of the T, then you turn, and then you push off and turn, and 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 you try not to step forward so as to not shift your weight too much. You want your weight under you more. You're doing less transfer of weight to your right leg when you're pivoting on your left leg. Well, I think for some things it would be more effective than others. For a move like this, when you're in split time and you have so much range that you have to cover, I think it's less effective, but it might be more effective for something like if you're trying to do a chasing the sun turnaround. Because they're both there together, there's no, I think that works a little easier than when you're trying to do it at a 2-petal or 4-petal flower turnaround. Your mileage may vary. Don't let my preferences become your limitations. Your right foot is always forward and your right foot is always forward and your right arm is always forward. And as you pivot, you step. And as you pivot, you step. So you step and pivot and step and pivot and step and pivot. So if your right hand is forward and you're in the T stance facing your right, your weight is going to mostly be on your left leg. You're going to come from overhand across the bottom, step, shift your weight a little bit so that you can get around, keep your weight on your left leg, then you come up over the top and step, come across the bottom, come across the top, the bottom, the top, the bottom, the top, the bottom, the top, the bottom. Okay, now from underhand, let's go around twice, 5, 6, 7, 8, and come up and over, across the bottom, or underhand 5, 6, 7, 8, up and over, down and across, 5, 6, 7, 8, up and over, down and across, 5, 6, 7, 8, up and over, down and across, 5, 6, 7. Last time, up and over, down and across. In overhand, your right foot is still forward, your left foot is back, and your left poi is back here behind you. In overhand. Now you're going to pivot and turn and step and come up and over and bring your left poi to the back position again. And then pivot, turn, step, and come across the bottom to the back position, and now you've done a full 360. So you go up and over, pivot, turn, step, down and across, pivot, turn, step, up and over, down and across, turn, up and over, turn, down and across, turn, up and over. Now, starting here in underhand, we'll do 5, 6, 7, 8, down and across, then up and over, and 5, 6, 7, 8, down and across, up and over, 5, 6, 7, 8, down and across, up and over, 5, 6, 7, 8, down and across, up and over, 5, 6, 7, 8, down and across, up and over, 5, 6, 7, 8, down and across, up and over, and last time, 5, 6, 7, 8, down and across, and up and over. And let's try and do the Pilates for the turn. So if you're here with your right arm forward and your left arm back, and you turn 180 degrees, the left arm comes up, and the right arm is going to come down. And you're going to step so that you end with your right foot forward, your right arm forward, and your arms are in a line. Now, your right arm's going to come up, the left arm's going to come down, and you're going to step as you turn. Then the left arm's going to come up, and the right arm's going to come down as you step and turn. Left arm down, right arm up, step and turn. Left arm up, right arm down, step and turn. Left arm down, right arm up, step and turn. Left arm up, step and turn. Left arm down, step and turn. Left arm up, step and turn. Right arm up, step and turn. Left arm up, step and turn. It's useful to think of the right arm and leg moving with each other, right? So if I'm here, as my right arm, in fact, if you even ignore the left arm and you just think about the right arm is cueing the right leg, they're attached to each other by some string. As it comes through, as it comes over, as it comes down, as it comes over. And if you just line up your right foot and right arm the whole time through, maybe that'll help. Let's try, we'll do the count off. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we'll go 1 turn, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 turn, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 turn, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 turn. Now we're going to go 2 turns. 5, so we'll end up back here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down with the right and up with the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down with the right, up with the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down with the right, up with the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come across the bottom, over the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Across the bottom, over the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Across the bottom, over the top. Now, go 1 more. Now your underhands. Now we're going to do 2 180s from here, so 360. 2 turns. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up and over, down and across. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right goes up, right goes down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right goes up, right goes down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right goes up, right goes down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right goes up, right goes down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right goes up, right goes down.